Welcome to this quick video. I'm Rosario Newman with SVA Software. Without testing your disaster recovery tasks and procedures on a regular basis and documenting what has worked or not, you will never know what the real recovery time objectives are and if these RTOs can be met. All you can do when a real disaster recovery scenario occurs is hope for the best. Therefore, preparedness is key. How well documented and up-to-date is the information about the outcome of the DR exercises could be a good indicator of how well the team will execute the next time there is an exercise or a real disaster scenario. I will show you how easily you can document the information about what has worked or not during the exercises and the outcome of the RTOs, and how the team can be in the know by having the ability to access this information so they can be as prepared as possible to bring the systems back up and meet the expected RTOs. This is the IDR Manager interface, where you can organize all of the IT infrastructure components that are part of your disaster recovery plan. I will go into the disaster recovery dashboard specifically. This is an interactive disaster recovery dashboard that you can bring up, and it covers the full recovery process. It can be used to go through different scenarios. For example, an exercise to bring up a single application, or to bring up a whole IT service, such as, for example, cybersecurity, or go through the DR exercise of a complete failover. For example, here we have an IT service that I brought up, cybersecurity. As you can see, it consists of 3 applications. So these are shown in sequence of recovery with the recovery time objectives listed for each. The recovery time objective for this IT service is also listed here. You can go through the steps of recovering each application by selecting it and going through the document with the tasks. You can mark it as completed or in progress. And you can do the same for each application. Once these are fully executed, then the IT service will show as available. As you go through the recovery tasks, you can add comments here and make notes of what has worked or not to help then make corrections for future exercises. All of this activity is logged. Once all of the activities are executed and completed successfully, then you can indicate here that the exercise is concluded. Here you can see that it's logged when the exercise took place, when it started, and when it was concluded. That way you can keep track of when the last DR exercise was executed and show compliance. You would also need to determine if the RTO was met while going through the exercise. IDR shows the time it took to complete the recovery of each application and compares it to the planned RTO. And it also shows the overall time that was exceeded compared to the planned RTO for the entire IT service. Therefore, the IT team can validate that the recovery procedures, when executed, can meet the expected RTO or not, and then take actions to fine-tune those procedures to then be able to meet this expected RTO. The only way you can have confidence that the critical IT systems can be recovered is to know the real RTO and have a successful DR exercise. And IDR Manager can help you do just that. Thank you, and if you want to try out IDR in your environment, you can contact us at svasoftware.com. Thank you.